Are we gonna have tea?
Yeah.
Yeah. What flavor of tea is it?
Strawberry and blueberry.
Strawberry and blueberry. That's yummy. Thank you.
Do you want some of my new tea? It's strawberry supreme.
Strawberry supreme.
Try. Wait, actually it's great. Supreme wanted.
That's
Did
good
you actually
too.
drink it?
Hey guys. Ready?
You're done? Wait, you forgot the sponge.
We'll have to wash it.
There you go.
I'm going to
Steve, you want to wash the girl?
Too much, Kiro, too much.
Oh, he's spilled water.
Yep, too much. Here's the towel.
There's a little too much.
Is it all the way wet?
No, not all the way there.
Is it still wet? It'll dry. It's okay.
Why?
That is?
Did you scoop some like work over?